If you've lost access to your Hostinger account, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover your Hostinger account quickly and safely. Whether you forgot your password, can't get into your dashboard, or just need to reset your login details, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. Before we begin, make sure you hit the like button if this tutorial helps you, and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. It really helps the channel, and it means you won't miss the next useful tutorial. Alright, let's get into it, Set. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and go to the Hostinger login page. Once the page loads, look just below the login fields and click on the Forgot Password option. This is the starting point for recovering your account because it tells Hostinger that you need to reset your access rather than sign in normally. Now you'll be taken to the password recovery step. Here, you need to enter the exact email address that is associated with your Hostinger account. Make sure you type it carefully and double check for any spelling mistakes, missing letters, or extra spaces. If you use the wrong email address, the reset email will go to the wrong inbox and you won't be able to continue. After confirming the email address, submit the request so Hostinger can send you the password reset link. Next, open your email inbox and look for the reset message from Hostinger. Sometimes this email arrives within a minute or two, but if you don't see it right away, check your spam, junk, or promotions folders as well. Recovery emails can sometimes land there by mistake. When you find the message, open it and click the reset link inside. That link will take you to the password reset page. Here, enter a strong and unique new password for your Hostinger account. A good password should be hard to guess and different from any password you've used before. Once you've typed it in, save the changes and confirm the new password if prompted. After that, you're ready to log back in. Return to the Hostinger login page and enter your email address along with your new password. If everything was completed correctly, you should now regain full access to your account and be able to enter hPanel again. Once you're inside, take a moment to make sure your account details are up to date. If needed, you can also review your security settings and make sure your recovery email is correct so this process is easier in the future. And that's it. You've now recovered your Hostinger account by resetting your password and logging back in successfully. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you can get more simple how-to tutorials whenever you need them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.